In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record real-time object interactions for animation in Cinema 4D using Cappuccino. Cappuccino is a built-in tool that turns your live interaction, like moving, rotating, or tweaking attributes, into keyframes as you work. It's perfect for capturing natural, human-driven motion without manually setting keys frame by frame. Think of it like motion capture for your mouse. Start by opening your scene and deciding what you want to animate. Select the object you'll control, set your timeline start and end frames, and make sure your project FPS is what you intend to deliver. A quick tip: put the playhead at the start of your range and consider resetting the object's coordinates so you have a clean baseline. You don't need auto keyframe for this. Cappuccino writes the keys for you. Next, open the Cappuccino panel from the character menu. If you can't find it, use the command search and type Cappuccino. In the panel, choose which channels to capture: position, rotation, scale, or other attributes you intend to manipulate. Keep it simple on your first pass. For example, record just position if you're blocking a path. You can always layer more nuance later. Set the sampling to real time so it records continuously as you move. Place the playhead where you want to begin, and click. Start to arm recording. Now move your cursor into the viewport and interact with your object in real time. Drag to translate, rotate using the gizmo, or adjust attributes directly in the interface. Cappuccino will capture those changes as keyframes across the timeline. Keep your movement smooth and deliberate. If you need to focus on a single axis, constrain your transform so you don't add keys you'll later have to clean up. When you're done with a take, click Stop. Scrub the timeline to review your results. You'll see a keyframe stream generated along the tracks you selected. If the motion feels jittery, open the F-curve editor and apply some smoothing or adjust tangents to soften abrupt transitions. If the take isn't working, undo and try again with slower, more intentional motions, or record shorter segments that you can blend. A few quick tips: hide heavy objects or switch to a lighter display mode for better playback while recording. Shorter takes are easier to control, and if you plan to record a camera move, practice it once before hitting start so your timing feels natural. That's the power of Cappuccino: capturing authentic, hand-driven animation in real time and turning it into editable keyframes. Save your project and you're ready to refine, layer, and finalize your motion.